Well, hello, smart investors. Ron Benning here with your Sacramento Fourplex Market update for the month ending August of 2025. In this video, I'll cover the latest market trends for the Sacramento Fourplex Market, and we'll take a look at the break-even GRM for a Sacramento Fourplex this month. Developing trends leave evidence. Watch till the end to see what's likely to happen the next month or two in the Sacramento Fourplex Market. We were in a pretty severe buyer's market earlier this summer, but for the second month in a row, inventory has come down. You may recall last month I predicted that the inventory was likely to fall in a 10 to 12 month supply at the end of the month. As of the end of August, we're now sitting on 8 months of inventory based on closed sales. That's still firmly a buyer's market. Compared to last year, the month supply of fourplexes is up 10.3%. but it's down 5.9% from July's 17 months. So what caused this absorption of inventory? I think this is because interest rates came down a little more than expected. At the beginning of August, the Freddie Mac 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rate averaged 6.72, and by the end of the month it had dropped to 6.56. It is also due to the fact we had a few more sales too, including 3 listings that I took that sold fairly quickly. Now, even though inventory has dropped for 2 months in a row, we also saw pending sales peak in July, and they've fallen again in August. That means this drop in inventory isn't likely to continue unless pending sales start to rise again, or less people choose to list their fourplexes. As I mentioned earlier, sales were a little higher. 4 fourplexes sold in August, which is up 100% from July's 2 sales, but still down 20% compared to August of 2024. If you're enjoying this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now so that I can keep you informed about the latest investing trends. Pending sales came in at 3, which is down 62.5% from July's 8 and down 50% compared to last year at this time. Active fourplex inventory ended August down 5.9% from July, but it's still 10.3% higher year over year. The target break-even GRM for Sacramento Fourplex this month is approximately 11.62. And the good news is that many recent sales have actually been closing below this break-even target, which creates opportunities for buyers who understand the numbers. The average days on the market for sold fourplexes jumped back to 73 days in August. That's a 942.9% increase from July's 7 days, and it's also 65.9% higher than August of 2024. This was in part due to 3 fourplex listings that I listed that were priced right and sold in a lot less time than average. This obviously suggests that sellers are having to wait longer for the right offer unless they understand proper pricing and just price the properties realistically from the start. That shows up in the list to sale price ratio as well. The sold to original list price ratio fell to 88% in August, which means sellers are discounting by about 12% below the initial asking price on average. That's a major improvement in buyer bargaining power compared to last month's unusual 0%. Frankly, it's been a decade since there has been this much buyer bargaining power, and with falling rates and special financing programs, it's a great time to be a fourplex buyer. The average sold price in August came in at $990,000, which is down 1.1% from July's $1,001,000, but still up 11% compared to August of 2024. The trend, though, remains downward. Even if individual months bounce, the long-term trajectory of the average price appears to be going lower. So, what do I predict for the fourplex market in Sacramento in the next 30 to 60 days? I think there's a fair chance that inventory could start climbing again if pending sales don't rebound. For sellers, aggressive pricing and income-based valuation is essential, combined with the type of aggressive marketing that I do. Only the best priced properties with the best marketing and strong income will move in this environment. But sellers can still do well if they're just pricing competitively. If you want an update on your property's value or an estimate of market rents, look in the description for a link or pause the video and scan the QR codes on the screen. For buyers, this is an excellent time to be buying a fourplex, with properties selling at 11 to 12% under the average asking price. You have leverage, and with creative tools like interest-only loans, you can position yourself for an even stronger cash flow once rates eventually come down. If you're not already getting my GRM reports and MLS updates, check the list in the video description to get started, or pause the video and scan the QR codes to get started. We just started something new. Each month I'm going to be sending out the sold GRM report once a month so that you can see what are the prices that people are actually paying relative to the income. Whether you're considering buying or selling in the next 7 days or 7 months, give me a call or a text or send me a message so I can help you plan a smooth purchase or sale transaction.